Like hapo Supreme Court of India, ki vacancy belong aspa totally category all India. The PD belong kila pass graduate with computer knowledge. Dia don you computer knowledge. But ke category benda ke limit ke belong kat pass name sejarang. Ke salary ke poe du rupla ajar ruprat ka. Teki ba kwa ban apply so ba ban tap link ba ka website jongka Supreme Court of India sci.gov.in pihak ban registration kong la ada register pada bisa la ban apply. Last date ban apply ke 10 July. Nam taki date of exam nam taki ibaro kin sa pentip hadin mentaki kempat pentip pihak ban apply shani kong. Teki balong eligible pada eligibility criteria for Supreme Court of India code assistant educational qualification by Dia bandan ya bachelor degree from a recognized university, maximum speed, minimum speed, ke minimum speed jong komputer bandan 35 words per minute in English typing on computer knowledge of computer operation. Tangka typing speed ban ka degree bandan kam. Dekai jilme kedai karpra do live post name. Nala biko ban tabs lech pok website. Dekai selection procedure bde kadon hadu sans stage nam takane. Tapi kawan ingkong ada objective type question, no, bila multiple choice baik. Kita 100 question, the sanpon tagi general English question, including comprehension, Arab santri general, ini ada option, general aptitude question, Arab santri general knowledge, ke duration kali 2 hours, kita don connective marking. Te kiba you kita prepare bahas awal jing tiba. Ke stage 2 bade kali objective type computer knowledge pang computer. Recently question. Haka stage 3 bade kindon ka typing test keba pihak nala 35 words per minute after deduction of mistake la deduct the mistake bara kedi belong by 35 words per minute allow 3% mistake allow 3% 10 minutes kin I por which per minute on types then sakhen. Stage 4 bade descriptive test kene bade long answer pihak tho comprehension passage precise but essay writing tang ba pihak pass bagi kita bisa poin seduk ni then ada nang tabaro kisah mikilis bisa poin sa interview date then after qualifying the date prescribed test interview the selected candidate will be campaign la pass lo tigine bede bisa lawan yo ya kam ponyan kiba mana apply kan mau pihak ban lej apo ke website ke main website mau kan Supreme Court of India.government.in sci.government.in sa register shonikong ada register sa lawan apply bade. Click on recruitment online application for the post of junior code assistant Supreme Court of India. Mau last date kan 10 July. Ada pendap pada bisa siu ya kabai. You must siu application fee ke day long. Sanspa amtaki general bar ke OBC candidate bad nam taki SC ST ke day ars pa san punika. Mas pasminika nam takan ni ka vacancy dan have siu online. Jadi tangkine hi yang pentip Kulijuan.